Mari's materials are authored tied to certain shader models. If a material is connected to another node like this shader, and the material has the same shader model as the shader, all connections from the material will auto-connect to the shader. If the material, however, is of a different shader model, then only a standard connection is made, and it is up to the user to make manual connections. Each shader found here in the creation menu of the shader palette is its own shader model. This leads to curious cases where a material that was created as an Arnold standard surface material does not connect to a Autodesk standard surface shader, even though the inputs of an Arnold and Autodesk standard surface shader are exactly the same. Let me show you a quick method how to rectify this issue. With my material selected, I will right mouse click and go to the edit menu and select the node editor. Alternatively, you can press Alt and K. In the editor, let's make sure to view protected attributes via this drop-down menu up here. Let's go to our search field and type in shader model. Alternatively, you can have a look in this no group tree item and select the shader model entry there. In our table, let's double click on the current value and simply change the shader model. Then let's hit apply down here and close the node editor. And now the previous Arnold standard surface material is an Autodesk standard surface material and correctly connects again to the Autodesk standard surface shader. Another way to change the shader model only works with materials that are based on Extension Pack standard material templates you can find in the shelf. With a material selected, press X to enter the Swap Node tool. The tool recognizes the material template and will give you alternatives to swap to. This way you can freely swap not only between shader models, but also convert materials from, for example, a UV-based material to a triplanar material.